よーじゃあ行くぞじゃんけん
Add new project. Add one photo. Set the format to 16:9. Move the photo on the left side like this. Crop your photo if you think that the other photo will not fit. Adjust the duration to 9.8 seconds. Add overlay. Click, hold, then drag the overlay. The end should be on the same spot like this. Then adjust the duration to 7.1. This side is the one you will move to adjust duration. Move the overlay beside the first clip. Crop it if it's so big. Add overlay again. Adjust the duration to 4.6. Note that the end should be equally on the same spot. Add again overlay. The duration is 2.5 seconds. Now we will add animation. The animation is in fade in and the duration is 1.5 seconds. All the clips and overlay have same animation and duration of the animation. Add audio. Add clip. Stock videos, then add plain black. Duration is 0.8 seconds. Add overlay. Stock videos again, then white. Adjust to 0.8 seconds. Splice. Click filter, then change the opacity to 50. Add animation fade out. Duration is 0.5 seconds. Go back, then add new project. Add video like this. Adjust the duration to 0.9 seconds. Add photo. Move the photo like this. Click this to add transitions. Camera. Then find the transition down. Adjust the duration of the second clip to 1.1 second. Export it. Go back. Delete the second clip, then change it another photo. Move the photo to the other side. Adjust the duration to 1.1 second. Add again the transition. Camera down. Export it again. Go back, then delete again the second clip. Click the first clip. Move the line at the end of the clip like this. Then click freeze. Adjust the freeze to 1.1 second. Now add overlay. Add the video we export. Zoom out. Click the overlay, then find the option mask. Click split. Rotate this yellow line to 90 degrees. Add the other overlay. Zoom, then add mask. Split, then rotate again to -90 degrees. Export it. Go back, then delete all clips. Add new video. Adjust it to 0.9, then add photo like we did earlier. The second clip is always 0.6. The transition is always camera down. Export it, then change the second clip to another photo but same duration and transition. Add overlay, then do what I did earlier. Mask a split, then rotate to 90 degrees. Delete clips and change the video. Adjust the first clip to 0.9. The second clip is also 0.9 seconds. The first clip is 0.9 seconds and the second clip is 1.4 seconds. Same process on the previous clips. When you're done on for videos, go back to our main project. Add the for clips that we exported. Add transitions, camera, pull out. Ready the screen record, then play. Back, then add the screen record as a new project. Cut and delete clips that you don't need. Change the format to 9:16. Then zoom out the video. Now add the audio, then export.
Yo! じゃあ、行くぞ